I want to wake up every morning with a passion. I want to wake up with a smile on my face and say that I love what I do. You can either dream about it or you can go out there and make it happen. I want everybody to feel the love and the enjoyment and the fun. I just want to bring that to everybody. I have never come across a sport where everybody is so connected and can be so connected.
I put all of my hard work in.
And the drive and the passion that everybody has in the sport.
It's all on you from the second that gate drops to the checker flag. It's nobody else's fault but yours.
It's all me, you know, like I have to make this corner correct so I can make the next jump. I am the entire team in one place.
The friendship is amazing. You can either dream about it or you can go out there and make it happen.